Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and if you're a trader, you're going to love this video. I'm going to show you how we put together a 400% return on Peloton earnings this last week, which was yesterday on Friday. And so we actually helped our student take $5,000 into $27,000. So $22,000 profit in less than 2 hours. I'm actually going to walk you through the trade and show you the things you probably didn't see that would have led you to actually be confident and pull the trigger on a trade like this. That way next time something like this pops up, you can actually take the trade and make $22,000 hopefully. Alright, so let's actually teach you some of the things you could have seen to take this trade. But before we do that, let's actually let our student Max walk you through his end of the deal.
Hi everyone. My name is Max, and I've been a Crash Trading member for a few weeks now. I'd like to go over how I was able to turn $5,000 into $27,000 in under 2 hours on a Friday with Alex's help. What we did was we bought Peloton calls at a 149 strike, held them for 2 hours, and sold for a 400% profit. It was that simple. This is just one of the many trades that we were able to make this week, and if you're looking to make consistent gains like this, consider joining the Crash Trading Club. It will pay for itself in no time, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed.
Okay, so great. You can see it was an awesome trade, but how can I actually help you replicate these results going forward? Well, let me show you some of the confirming signals and factors that would have led you to take this trade as well. So we start off in the morning by actually shorting Peloton here because we did in-depth research and analysis saying that Peloton would drop within the first 55 minutes of the session at least. Okay, so all our guys are actually shorting Peloton, but Max, keep in mind, is actually on the West Coast, so he's like 3 hours behind. He's actually asleep. And so if he was awake, he would have probably made another $20,000 here, but that's besides the point. We start off in the morning by shorting Peloton, but then it actually hits the pre-market low, okay, and then you'll also notice that it's actually starting to get these price target raises, okay, so starts to shift bullish here. It's very reluctant to drop any lower, and so this is when we start exiting around this area. Okay, so our guys start collecting profits, but this is where being a shark, as we say, comes into play, because if you're just going to be completely bearish, well, you're going to miss out on the incredible bullish opportunity you had here. So now Max wakes up. He missed out on probably $20,000 here, but I'm saying, hey, be by your phone, be ready when I shoot you a text. I'm going to get you in this next trade here. And when do I shoot him a text? I shoot him a text right here on this volume breakout. Now, here's where you really want to pay attention. I'm about to give you 3 confirming signals that give you confidence to be in a trade like this. First signal, pre-market low is hit. We get support there. Second signal, volume breakout. Third signal, price target raises. When you have 3 strong signals like that at a low where you really can't drop that much lower, first off, it means you got very minimal downside and a lot of upside, okay, and so this is why we entered here. And the first thing that happens as soon as we enter, what does it do? It actually pulls back. And so think about this, 90% of traders, they see it pulls back on them instantly as soon as they enter the trade. What do? They exit for a loss. Okay, but little do they know, if you exit there, you have an incredible trade on your hands that's going to make you $20,000. You see what I'm saying? So you have to be calculated, you have to stay confident in what you're doing, and that's how you make the $20,000 trade. So once again, I'll go through those confirmations again. Pre-market low, price target raises, and third, volume breakout as a true signal that we are indeed breaking out. Because don't get fooled, guys. A lot of times when they raise the price target, the stock will actually continue dropping. So you don't want to just buy calls because they're raising the target. You want to see true confirmation of that, and that confirmation came through the volume close to the bottom level. So boom, 3 phenomenal reasons for you to enter a trade, and I hope you can use those going forward in your trading career. Guys, it's a lot easier said than done though, okay? And so if you actually need help, you need direct coaching through these trades, make sure you join us in the link in the description, guys. By the way, if this video can get 100 likes, I will do a live trading video how to turn 5,000 into 50,000 soon, but only if this video gets 100 likes. So make sure you share it with people, share it on Reddit, Facebook. That way the video can get more likes. That way you can actually see me turn 5,000 and 50,000 live. That being said, guys, remember, if you're joining us, Megalodon and Mako program are going to be direct coaching for you, where I'm going to tell you how much money to put into each trade, when to enter, when to exit, kind of like we did for Max here to help him make $20,000 in 2 hours. Crash Trading Club is where we actually show you how to trade everything, but you've got to, actually trade it yourself. I'm not going to be giving you the exact alert when to buy and sell, but we show you how to trade it. Okay, so that's all we've got for this video. Now, look, we've got so many more results. I'm just going to flash them up on the screen because I don't want to make 20 different videos over all our students' success this week. Here you can see $19,000 profit on CMG. Here you can see $7,000 profit on CMG. Here you can see $3,000 profit. That's rent money, as my friend says, one of our members said. Here you can see $1,400 profit. Here you can see $2,700 profit here with a $400 loss. Keep that in mind. And then you also see here, one other student says he's getting more comfortable with a $1,000 profit here. So guys, feel free to pause the video and read through any of those messages we had with our students this week. I always think it's fun to look back and see what you got out of all the work you put in, guys. We put so much work into our trades, our analysis, our research, and everything. And so once the week's always, wrapped up and over, all that hard work and all that, you're exhausted at the end of the week. That's what I like to look back on, is what we accomplished. So that's what we accomplished this week, and I hope you're ready to accomplish more going into next week. If you're ready to join us, make thousands, guys. That's a promise. We'll help you make thousands this week if you join us. Then make sure you go through the link, go to crashtrading.com, and let's get started, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. My name is Alex, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.